Hi, Kevin Moore here with K&R Commercial Cleaning Solutions. We specialize in soft wash services. We don't pressure wash. We're geared towards killing mold and algae spores, versus just giving them a haircut like pressure washing. What sets K&R Commercial Cleaning Solutions apart is that we formulate our solution in-house. We don't use do-it-yourself products. We don't use pre-made formulas. We pick up all of our raw materials and formulate in our shop. The benefits of utilizing soft wash technology: you'll improve the quality of health around your home by eliminating toxic mold and algae spores.
Mold for housing is an issue because there are health implications for it. For those people that are more vulnerable, immunocompromised, the older people, the younger people, those ones are more susceptible to it.
They blow in through the air. You track them in on the bottom of your shoes. You drive across them going in the driveway into your garage, and then you track them into your home.
There have been cases in our community where a few people have gotten sick with it. A member from neighboring community in Kumankwaning who's quite ill in the hospital right now. It's almost life-threatening, actually.
Mold itself does affect our health and our well-being. I do remember hearing of families with asthma problems.
See the moss starting to take root in this growth in the crack right here from where it starts growing down. So when we do our second inspection, this is what I come around to look for.
For those people that are immunocompromised, it really seems like you get more colds, more flu-like symptoms. That can be an indication that you're getting a little bit too much mold into your system.
Hi, my name is Gwen Poisson. I live in Houma, Louisiana. And I hired Kevin with K&R Roofing to clean my roof and was amazed at the stuff that came off of my roof. I filmed the cleaning process, and when I saw the stuff coming out the gutter, it was nasty. Not realizing the stuff that was on that roof, well, was mold and mildew and everything else. I'm completely satisfied with this company, and I would recommend it to anyone. 2 years, no mold and mildew.